What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Ackeem Sterling here. Now in this video I'm going to show you guys how to connect a broken laptop screen to a TV. Okay guys, so this is my computer, and as you can see there's no screen inside this computer right here. I've yet to install a screen, so I have not installed a screen on this. So yes, the computer screen is broken. There's no screen on this computer. So the computer is already on right now, so I'm going to show you how I connect my computer to my TV. So this is my TV right here. It's basically a blackpoint TV. So what I'm going to use for this process is a HDMI cable. So this is a HDMI cable that I'm going to use for this process. So what I'm going to do now is to connect my HDMI cable to my laptop, right? So the first thing that you need to check if your computer is compatible with a HDMI cable. So right here, as you can see, my computer have a HDMI port. So I'm going to check now on my TV to see if it has also an HDMI port. Now, if your computer didn't have a HDMI port, you can also use a VGA cable. So guys, this is an example of a VGA cable, but because my computer does not support VGA cable, what I'm going to use for this process is a HDMI cable. This will do the trick. Now I'm back off my TV, so I'm going to show you guys a HDMI port. So right there you can see I have two HDMI ports. I have HDMI port 1 and 2, and this is the HDMI port. So I'm going to connect now my HDMI port to my computer and to my TV. So I'm going to plug this now to my HDMI 1 port. So please ensure that you know which port that you're plugging your HDMI to. So in this case, I'm using HDMI 1. So I'm going to plug this now to my HDMI 1. Right. Okay, that's it. So I'm going to plug this other end now to my computer. Right there. Okay. Now on my TV, so I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to go down to source. I'm going to go to HDMI 1. And that's it guys, that's how I connect it. See how I connect it to my TV. Now guys, before you skip off of this video and try to run off, I'm going to show you some basic settings that you guys need to know in order to get this up and running. So what you want to do is to click to this notification bar right here. Then you go to project. Then what you want to do is to ensure that you click the necessary screen that you want to display on. Now for this screen it said second screen only, which means that the display gonna be on the TV screen only and not on the computer screen right here. So what I select is this screen, second screen only. Since this one is not working, I want it to only project on this screen. Alright, the extend now means that you're also gonna show on this screen and also on that screen right there. So if this screen was working, I can also use this as a second monitor or as a second screen to display, right, when I'm working with multiple displays. So because this is not working, I'm going to use second screen only. So these are some of the settings that you can use to project your screen when you connect your computer to a TV screen. Oh guys, please do not click on this right up here, because if you click on this, the screen will only project on your computer, which is broken, which is gonna be a lot more difficult to get it back onto the screen. So guys, please don't click on this. This is okay, this is okay, and this is also okay. I don't recommend this, but you can also use this or use a duplicate screen. Now if you guys have not yet purchased a HDMI cable, I will leave a link in the description for some HDMI cable that you guys can purchase. Now these are basically 4K HDMI cables, so I will leave a link to some in the description that you guys can use. So if you have a 4K TV and you want to display from your computer also to your laptop, I will leave a link to some in the description that you guys can also look at and purchase. Yes guys, and if this video helped, please smash that like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I see you in my next one. Peace out.